This video is about drying silica gel desiccant. Silica gel is used to keep your 3D printer filament dry, instead of microwaving or baking in my kitchen, which can release toxic chemicals that may harm my health. I use my 3D printer's heated bed. I dry the silica gel while printing parts, making the process efficient. During printing, the silica gel is drying at the same time. I place the silica gel in a foil container I made. After about an hour, you can see the color changes. Once they're dry, the silica gel turns orange. When it absorbs moisture, it turns dark. If you want to see more tips and videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.